These deer right here. Look at them all. Found a shed. Found another shed. All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing a little bit of off-season work out at the deer lease. So we're gonna be looking for some sheds. Had some decent bucks out there this year, and so I'm hoping we can get lucky and find a shed or two. And then we also got a little bit of work to do. Got a stand to take down and gonna replace the batteries and all the cameras, get them rolling again. Overall, just got some work to do on the farm. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, we made it out here to the land, and first things first, we're gonna go take down a saddle setup I had from last year, and on the way, we're gonna be shed hunting, and then we're gonna check out that little area and see if we can find some sheds. Let's go. Hopefully this wheeler doesn't break down on us. Look at this real quick. So last year I was hunting in that field over there. That's where the saddle setup is that we're gonna go get. Yeah. And there were a bunch of deer messing around up here on this hillside. I remember them going down into this tree line from right here. I guess they're just using this cut, this big deep cut, to move around. It makes sense. Those deer right here. Look at them all. Down into the ravine. 3 of them right there. Look, and now they're just chilling. Huh. That's cool. This is it. Isn't it funny how those deer, it's like you think there's nothing out here and then they just show up. Yeah. There's like 3 of them right there. Those were big. All right, guys. First we got to climb up and get this saddle down. Definitely gonna have to move this saddle setup to a little bit closer to the corner or something to get on some deer. So let's get this thing down. I gotta get way up here to get this line out. Okay. Now I feel like I might not die. Put that down. Strap from tethered, must for saddle hunting. There's another stick. All right, saddle setup is down. We're just kind of looking at this fence line because I know deer cross right here a bunch, so maybe if something jumped over, they would have shed an antler right here. Who knows? Oh, here's the trail. Look how big this deer trail is. We're going right under the fence right here. Big trail right here. All right, y'all. We're in another location across the field. Checking another fence line here. Didn't see anything at the other one. But I'm just kind of walking high traffic areas that I know would have deer movement. Just found a huge rub on that tree right here. No antlers. No sheds yet. Alright, we got another camera over here. Let me go check. Yeah, there's my camera here. I found this break in this fence, and deer have definitely been using it. There's lots of rubs over here. But I mean, there's a big trail here. And rubs. Look at that rub. That's like this year's rub. Kind of this pine thicket and opens up into that field. Just found a little cross point right here. But this camera's dead, so let's refill it. After these lights set up, should be good. And there it is. Ready to go. Well, guys, Sarah just said she found one. I think she may have found a shed. Oh my goodness, no way. Oh my gosh, you found a good one. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at how thick. Whoa, it's torn up.
Well, what I did was, I started thinking, you were talking about squirrels, and so I started looking under the trees.
Oh yeah?
To see if they, you know, because they go scratch their horns. I was thinking, well, maybe they shed them underneath some trees.
You just found the thickest shed I've ever seen. Yes, this is 100%. It's halfway eaten.
Yeah.
Look at the size of this shed, y'all. The mass on it. I mean, for out here, that is insane. I wonder if the matching set is around here. That's so cool. I can't believe we found one. We actually found a shed. That's so sick. That's so sick. We're gonna try to find the matching set. It's gotta be around here somewhere. All right, guys, well, we did not find the matching set, but we found one really cool, good shed at this first spot. We're kind of running out of daylight here, so we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next spot and make sure we get these cameras set up. But so far, so good. That was freaking awesome. Let's go to the next spot. All right, guys, we just came to the other side of the farm. Driving in, found a shed. Found another shed.
Tiniest little shed.
Ah, it's so small. Check it out, though. Number 2. Let's go. Tiny little 8-point. Now you can tell, like, the other shed compared to this. That's why I was freaking out so bad, because this, I mean, that's like a 2-year-old little 8-point. In the middle of the field, once again. It's the last place I would have ever expected to find a shed. All right, let's get on the wheeler, keep looking. All right, y'all. We're back down here to a new spot I have not hunted before, but I found a huge deer trail here last year. Gonna set a camera up right here somewhere and then see if we can find some more sheds. This is where this huge deer trail was, right here. Y'all probably can't see that, but there's just a huge deer trail going through this power line here. I would love to be able to set up my saddle on this side somewhere to be able to shoot into this. Y'all can kind of see the trails there. It splits right here and here. So I just need a good place for a camera. It's just kind of hard to find a spot in here, but we'll find somewhere. All right, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that right there, but trail coming in right here. I'm gonna set my camera up on this tree. That way I can walk in from the field right up through this creek bed. Bang, right here. I have not seen any more sheds out here yet, so keep looking for that. Just looking around down here. Never really spent a lot of time down here in this creek bed, but just looking around and found a decent rub from last year too. This creek is just so pretty in here. It's usually dry, but this time of year, I guess it gets a little wet. Wouldn't be surprised if there was a shed down in here somewhere. Well, we're driving home to put the wheeler up on the truck. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 deer sitting right there. Oh, there they go. Really? That's pretty cool though.
That one is just staring.
All right, y'all. Well, we ended up with 2 sheds, which is actually pretty decent considering we've never really done this before. Found a good one here. It's chewed up pretty bad, but pretty cool to see that, you know, that's a pretty good buck there. And then of course we got the little one here completely unscathed, which is pretty cool too. We've both never found sheds before like this, so pretty cool experience. Got some work done at the farm at the same time. But anyways, that was really fun to come out here and actually find some sheds. If y'all enjoyed today's video, make sure to drop a like. We're gonna have a bunch more videos like this coming up, so make sure you subscribe to the channel for more and leave a like on the video if you enjoyed today's shed hunt video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.